To turn on location services in Windows 11, go down to your Start button, right-click on it, then click on Settings. On the left-hand side, choose Privacy and Security, and then you want to scroll down to App Permissions. The first item there is Location. Click on Location, and you can then turn that on. Right? And then there's a list of apps, right, that you can allow to access your location other than Windows itself. So you can turn that on as well, and then allow, whichever app you want to use location services, and of course any that you don't want you can turn off. All right, and you can close settings and you're done.